Hello guys, we are solving the exercise of this chapter 11, areas related to circles. So we will continue it from the question number 6. Now come at the question number 6. Here, a chord of a circle of radius 15 centimeters subtends an angle 60 degree at the center. Clear? If this is 60 degree, so this will be equilateral triangle, because 60 degree this is same, so this will be same, and after finding this will be 60 60, and here it will be half of the. Clear? Now first, what is the area of find the area of corresponding minor and major segment of the circle. So major segment of the circle and minor segment. Here this is a minor segment. So first we will find out the area of a triangle. What is the area of a triangle? Area of this triangle. Clear? This is the equilateral, so root 3 by 4 a square, that is 15 into 15. Clear? This is the area of a triangle. Now this is 15 square is 225, root 3, this is 4. So after solving this, we will get 56.25 root 3. Clear? If we put root 3 as a 1.73, clear, which is given in question. Here we have not written. Now after multiplication we will get 97.3125. Clear? This is centimeter square. Now what is the area of this minor segment? Area of minor segment, that is the next part. Area of minor segment, that means area of minor segment. This is first area of this minor sector. This is 60 by 360, then pi r square. Pi r is given that 15 square. Clear? Now minus area of triangle 97.3125. Clear? Now this is 1 by 6 and pi is given that. Clear? 3.14, and this is 225. Here we will write here 15 because we can consider out it. 3 2 just 6, 3 5 just 15, and 15 and after multiplication we will get this is, and if we solve this, then we will get 117.75 minus 97.3125. Now this will be 20.4375 centimeter square. Now we will have to find out the area of major segment. So if we subtract area of minor segment from area of circle, then we will be able to find out the area of major segment. So this portion, area of major segment. Clear? Now area of major segment, that means pi r square minus area of minor. Clear? Now area of minor segment. Now pi r square, pi and r is given that 15 square minus area of segment is given that this is 20.4375. Clear? Now find the value of this 3.14 into 225. Square of 15 is 225 minus 20.4375. After solving this, we will get, after solving this, we will get here 706 dot, I think 706.5 minus 20.4375. Now after solving this, we will get 686.0625. Clear? Centimeter square. This is the area of major segment. Now this is the seventh question. Now in seventh question, we will find out a chord of a circle of a radius 12 centimeter is given that. Now subtends an angle of 120 degrees, so this portion is 60 degree and this portion is 60 degree. Now find the area of corresponding segment of the circle. We will find out the corresponding segment of the circle. Clear? Now first we will find out the area of a triangle. So what will be the area of a triangle? With the help, then we can find out the. Now this 60 degree is given that, so first we will find out, suppose this is M. Clear? Now find out the length of height and this base. So here 60 degree is given that, if we take this is 90 degree, now then what will be the relationship between base and hypotenuse and 60 degree? This is cos 60 degree. Cos 60 degree is given that, if we take height as h, this gm, so cos 60 degree base by hypotenuse, base is gm and hypotenuse is 12. Clear? So gm cos 60, value of cos 60 will be 1 by 2. 1 by 2. This is gm by 12. So gm will be 2 6 are 12. So gm will be 6 centimeter. Clear? Now if gm is 6 and this is 12, then find the value of this with the help of sine 60. Sine 60 degree is em, that is perpendicular by hypotenuse, is given that sine 60 is root 3 by 2 and em by 12, 2 6 is 12, so em will be 6 root 3 centimeter. Clear? Now with the help of, we can find out the value of EH. EH will be 2 times EM. So here EH will be, then EH will be 2 6 is 12, 6 2 6 ja 12 √3 centimeter. Clear? Now, what is the area of a triangle? Area of triangle, it will be 1 by 2 base into height. Base is 12 √3 into height will be 6. Now 2 6 ja 12, 6 6 ja 36, so 36 √3. If we put the value of √3, that is 1.73, then after multiplication we will get 62.28 centimeter square. Clear? Now find the area of corresponding segment of the circle. So corresponding segment, this is 120 degree. If we subtract one area of minor sector with area of triangle, then we will be able to find out the area of minor segment. Clear? So here area of minor segment will be area of sector, minor sector. Area of minor sector is 120 degree by 360 degree into pi r square. So pi r is given that 12, so 12 square minus 62.28. Clear? Now solving this, what will be? This will be 1 by 3, and here pi is given that is 3.14, and this is 144 minus 62.28. Clear? Now we will find out the value. After solving this, we will get 150.72. Clear? Here it will be, if we multiply with this, suppose here we multiply with this, we can get 452.16 divided by 3 minus 62.28. Here this will be 150.72 minus 62.28. This will be 88.44, because this is the area, so unit will be centimeter square. Clear? Now come at the next part of the question. Now come at this question. A horse is tied to a pedge at one corner of a square shaped grass field of side 15 meter by means of a 5 meter long rope. That means rope is, that means thread is 5 meter, and find the area of that part of the field in which the horse can graze. This portion is grazed by this horse. That means find the area of this portion. Clear? This shaded region by pink color. Clear? Now first thing is given that this is a rope is 5 meter and the total portion is 15 meter square field. Clear? Now, area of this field is, that means area of this field, what will be the area of the area that the area of that part of the field in which the horse can graze. This is 5-meter long rope, and this horse can graze this field only pink field. So this is in 90 degree because this is a square, it is given that. Okay, in 90 degree it makes a circular path, that means sector. So we have information about sector. In 90 degree we can cover this portion only. Pi r is given that is 5 square. Clear? Now after solving, what we will get? 9 4 ja. Now pi is 3.14 we can take, and 5 is 25. Clear? Now after solving this we will get 19,625 centimeter square. Now if we increase the increase in grazing area, if the rope were 10 meter long instead of increasing area, suppose this is 10. So find out the area of this portion only. Clear? This portion only. So how can we find out the area of this portion? So that is very simple. We increase this rope as 10 meter instead of 5 meter. So area at 10 meter long, 10 meter rope, then area will be the same 90 by 60, 360 into pi into 10 into 10. Here 1 by 4, 3.14, and this is 100. After solving this we will get 78.5 meter square. Now what is the difference between this for green portion? Clear? Subtract it. 78.5 minus 19,625. What will be? 58.875 meter square. This is also a meter square. Clear? Now this is the whole information about this question. Now come at the next question. Now 9th question. A brooch is made with silver wire in the form of a circle with 35 millimeter. That is the point. Clear? That means 30 diameter is given, that diameter, this is a diameter, this is 35 meter. So the radius will be 35 by 2. Clear? Now number of the wire is also used in making 5 diameters which divide the circle into 10 equal parts. So number of diameter is given that 5. Calculate it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Clear? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There is 5 diameter, which divides in 10 equal parts. If there is 360, so each angle makes 36 degree, because 10 parts, 10 sectors equal to 360 degree makes 360 degree. So one sector will be 360 by 10, that will be 36 degree. Clear? That will be 36 degree. Now the total length of the silver wire. So first we should have information about circumference of this wire. There is 35 by, so circumference will be 2 pi r. Here 2 pi is 22 by 7 and r is 35 by 2. Clear? So after 7 to cancel out, 7 5 ja, and if we multiply we will get 110 millimeter. Clear? I got the value of circular path. Now, but we use this wire as a diameter. So total, the first question, the total length of silver wire. What is the total length of silver wire? First, circumference, which is 110 plus each diameter. There are 5 diameters. There are 5 diameters, each with 35. So 35, after solving this, 110 plus this will be 175 and this will be 285 millimeter. Now come at the second part of the question. The area of each sector of the broach. Here 36. Clear? So area of sector 36 degree each, so it will be 36 degree by 360 degree into pi r square, pi 22 by 7, and r is given that, which is 35 by 2. Clear? Now this will be 1 by 10 and 7 here, 5 and 2, this is 11, and so 11 into 5 into 35 by 2. Clear? Now after solving this, we will get here 5 to the 10 and 5 7 here, so 2 to the 4 and after multiplication we will get 385. So this is area, so millimeter square. This is the answer of the given question. Now come at the next part of. Now An umbrella has 8 ribs which are equally spaced. Assuming umbrella to be a flat circle of radius 45 centimeter, find the area between two consecutive ribs of the umbrella. So count it. 1, 2, 3, 4. There is 4, 4 upper, 4 lower, so 8 ribs. Now, if these ribs are in flat, so find out the area. Clear? This is a consecutive ribs 1, 2, 3. So after conjugate, so second number is that. So if we take this ribs here, radius is given that 45 centimeter. Clear? Now this is in 8 part. So if there is 4 part, so this circle will be equalized as 90 degree, but it 8 parts, so again we divide it, which will be 45 degree. Clear? Now if we don't have information, because we are dividing this circle as a equalized part, so 360 degrees, and if we divide by 8 we will get each angle. Here this is 45 degree. Clear? Now in this way we can also find out. Now find out the area. So area of this sector, area of ribs is at 45 degree, 45 is 360 degree into 360 degree into pi r square. Clear? Here 45, if we solve it, we will get 1 by 8, because this is equal. Now pi is 22 by 7 and r is given that 45 square. Clear that? Now if we simplify this, 2 4 ja 8, 11, this is 1 by 11 by 28. Now for 45 square, this is a square of 45, every square which is ends with 5, that means 5 is square, so we can write it 25, then multiply with 4 into 5. That means here we are adding 1 here, 4 5 ja 20, so 20 25. Clear? Now after multiplication we will get 2275 by 28. This is a area of area between the two consecutive ribs of the umbrella. This is the solution. Now come at the next. Now this is 11 question. A car has 2 wipers. This is 2 wipers. Here one make other which is same as equal. Each wiper has a blade of length 25 centimeter. So length, blade length is 25 centimeter. Clear? Sweeping through an angle 115. This is 115 degree. Find the total area cleaned at each sweep of the blades. Because there is 2, so total area 2 into 1 sector, area of 1 sector, area of 1 sector. So 2 into area of 1 sector 115, 360 degree into pi r square, that is 22 by 7, and r square is 25 square. Now first we should solve it. Now first we cancel out this as 2 1 are 2, 2 1 are 2, and 2 8 are 16, 0. Then here 2 1 are 2, 2 8 are 16, and 0. Now 2 1 are 2, clear? Now here, now cancel out with 5, 5 2 are 10, 5 3 are 15, and this will be 5 1 are. Now in denominator part there will be 126, in numerator part will be 23 into 25 square, 625. If we multiply, we will get 15, 8, 1, 2, 5. So this is the answer. Clear? Now come at the next part, next question. Now here question is that to warn ships for underwater rocks, a lighthouse spreads a red color light over a sector of angle 80 degree to a distance of 16.5 kilometer. Find the area of the sea over the which the ships are warned. Okay, that is the color which is red here, this portion. Clear? This is a red color here, lighthouse splits. Now this is 80 degree. Clear? Now length is given that 16.5 kilometer. Now area of this sector, so area of the light clear? Now what is the area of the light? 80 degree by 360 degree and pi r square, so pi we can take 3.14 and r square 16.5, so 16.5 two times. Now if we solve it, we can get 2 by 9 and here 3.14 into here 16.5 square and here this question the same as 45 square, so 5 5 25, 16 into 17, that will be 272. So we can write 2 by 9 into 3.14 into 272.25. Clear? Now if we divide with 9, what we will get? That is the 2. If we divide with, we can get 30.25. Clear? So 3.14 into 30.25. So after multiplication, what we will get? So 2 into 30.25, this will be 3.14 into 60.5. Now multiply it. What we will get? After multiplication, we can get 189.97, because unit is given in kilometer, so kilometer square. Clear? So this is the answer. Now come at the next part of the question. Now come at the question number 13. A round table cover has 6 equal designs as shown in figure. If the radius of the cover is 28 centimeter, find the cost of the making the designs at the rate of 0.35 per centimeter square. So don't worry about this question. Here, this portion has 6 equal designs. So if 6 equal design, there is 360 degree. If we divide with 6, then we will get after dividing 60 degree. Clear? Now here how 60 come? 360 degree, because 6 equal parts, so after dividing we can get 60 degree. Now first, this is 28 centimeter is given that. Now find out the area of this triangle. Area of triangle. What will be the area of triangle? Area of triangle, this is a, if this is 60 degree and this is equal length 28, so this will be 60 degree. So this is a equilateral triangle. So area of this √354 a square is a side. So side is given that 28. Clear? Into 28. Now, so if we solve it, what we will get? We can get 4 7 ja, and this will be 196√3. Clear? Now if we take √3 is a 1.7, this will be 333.2 centimeter square. Now find the area of sector. Sector. What will be the area of sector? Area of sector is 60 by 360 degree. Clear? Now pi r square. Pi is 22 by 7 and r is given that 28 into 28. Now after solving this, we will get 1 by 6 into 22 by 7. Here we can divide 7 4 ja, so 4 into 28. Now this will be 2 3 ja 6 and 2 1 ja 2, 2 4 ja 8. So now 14 4 ja 56. So 22 by into 56 by 3. This will be 12 3 2 by 3. Now find the area of this design, each design. So area of each design will be, if we subtract sector minus area of sector minus area of triangle. Clear? Now area of sector is given that 1232 by 3 minus 333.2. Then we will subtract it, but there are 6 design, so total area of design, area of design 6 into 1232 by 3 minus 333.2. 6, 3 2 ja 6, 2 2 ja 4, 2 3 ja 6, 2 2 ja 4, 2 1 ja 2 minus 333.2. Clear? So this will be 464.8. Clear? Here this will not be here, this will be, after multiplication we will get dot 2, that will be 464.8. This is the total area of design. So total cost of now total cost will be area of each design is 0.35 rupees. So 0.35 into 464.8. So after multiplication we will get 162.68 rupees. Clear? So this is the whole solution of this question. Now come at next part. This question is very simple. Here tick the correct answer, find out the which is correct. Area of sector B. First find out the area of the sector. What is the area of sector? If angle is P and radius is R, so P by 360 degree into pi r square. So here there is no option. If there is 360 but here 2 pi r, here is pi r square but 720. So we can manage it this. If we multiply with this 2, we can get P into 2 pi r square and 36 2 ja 72, so 720. So this is the correct answer. Clear? Now guys, we have covered whole chapter. Area of related to circle in 2 sections. Clear? So I hope you are enjoying very well. Now we will meet with you with the next chapter, chapter 12, and wait and watch. Thank you guys.